Hi everyone, it's Letitia here, and today we are going to be making some Malteser Mcflurries at home. I really hope you enjoy this recipe. These are the ingredients you need plus your chocolate. So firstly we pour the double cream into a mixing bowl with the vanilla. I did do 2 of these little measuring cups. Then we get our little electric whisk and mix away until it's light and fluffy, just like this. Here you just put in your condensed milk, where you just mix it again until it is like a little fluffy mixture. Then you will go ahead and add your chocolate at this point. I did use Maltesers, which I did smash up, and then add to the mixing bowl. Once everything is mixed in, you do then go and put it into a plastic container which has a lid, just so then it's all sealed, and then you put it in your freezer for around 4 to 5 hours, and then you've got your Mcflurry. Thank you for watching.